Just cruising down the highway in the old step side.
Hemi mobile's going.
How's it feel, Steve-O?
Feels pretty good.
But because Steven was drinking the beers,
All the beers.
I got to do the first real pulls in it.
Yeah, it is.
And the first half donuts. He wouldn't let me do full donuts, but I did do the first half donuts.
Well, here we go, let's get those wheels out on the road. It may get dusty, but that's the way she goes. We'll build some greasy old cars and drink our AGD. Hey, don't you know, it's partly built.
Alright, so had a good friend stop by the other day from work and he brought us a new whiteboard.
Got a nice,
And it's a really nice whiteboard. It worked good to cover this window that's always giving us glare off the camera. But as you can see, we've only started writing everything we still need to do. Today is May 13th. We only started writing our list out. And this board just makes it look like a lot of work. And as you can see, we've divided it up by color on the two main projects we're working on. Anything in green is work to do to the step side. Anything in blue is the parts we need either to finish it or to bring as spares for the Miles of Mayhem. Red is the to-do list on the old Corvette here. And as you can see, only one thing to do, add 4 cylinders. And then Corvette parts, everything. We should actually change that to one of everything.
Pretty much.
Yeah, I think today we're gonna probably, hopefully, get exhaust done on the step side.
Go take it for a bit of a spirited drive.
And if we don't do that today, it'll be over the next couple days. So, yeah, so here's hoping. Really hoping it's gonna sound good. It's gonna be a bit of a bear trying to get these stacks mounted right, but we'll see how that goes. And Steven's not very partial to the rain caps, so we might have to do something about that. But
Yeah, I don't like the old think-a-think-a-think-a-think.
and then we're gonna see if we can get it drive a little bit. I'm gonna play around on the computer. It's running really rich, like it just burns your eyes in here. And the other thing is, it's idling really high, so we're gonna have to see if we can do something about that. It's idling at like 1500 RPM and we can't get it to go down. So we're gonna have to start checking for some leaks and maybe play around with the idle air control.
Yeah, mess with it, see if we can get that
But the main thing is we need to get exhaust on it because it is so obnoxiously loud. We can't hear if it's spark knocking or anything, and with no exhaust, we have no O2 sensors hooked up, so we have no idea how it's running.
We're just running blind, basically.
Yeah, all we know is it seems rich because it burns your eyes, but I mean, we took it for that first drive, and as you can see, there's a huge dead spot off idle when you first give it throttle, so.
Yeah, as soon as you crack the throttle, it almost wants to stumble and die, so we got a bit of pissing around.
I've never tuned a vehicle, so
we've never tuned anything, so we're going to rely absolutely heavily on Tuner Studios auto tune feature, because I paid the extra big bucks to get that working.
not the ultimate big bucks, but the
Yeah, not the
big
ultra,
bucks.
but just like the mid-range, just because I can't tune to save my life. Or, I mean, I've never really tried, so I'm
We don't have a dyno. We don't even have, like, the closest dyno's an hour away, and this isn't our main job. We make $0 off this. All this does is cost us money. So dyno tuning, we want to do it. It's on the list, but we gotta get some other stuff done first and save a little bit of money. We might wait to dyno tune it until we decide whether we're gonna boost it or not.
Yeah.
Because we still have the GT500 blower,
Nice M122 chilling.
so we'd still like to make that work.
I got plans for that.
But yeah, anyway, that's the plan for this video. Let's make stuff happen.
Alright guys, underneath here, just came down from our down pipes, whipped them underneath the frame, cut them back, mufflers mounted just basically underneath the doors, and then a little whoop-de-doo up to the stack. Simple as that. So, we'll drag the welder across and get that other one hung.
Alright, there you go, bud.
Oh fuck yeah, we can, oh shit, can we? Oh yeah, we got lots of room. Alrighty, well, just about done the exhaust. We're gonna lift it up here, move the welder over.
So we did most of the exhaust last night, but there was about 15,000 people running around yelling, so we really couldn't film anything.
So yeah, we'll give you guys a rundown on how we did it and go from there.
Take my beer? No. Oh, there it is.
You're gonna get in trouble with AGE. You're not
I didn't buy this beer. I'm just drinking the beer that was supplied to me by Steven's old man.
Yeah, that's what we got to make sure, yeah. We didn't buy this beer, so it's okay, HED. We're not cheating on you.
I actually did buy it though.
Ah! Right.
No, we drank that. This is new stuff.
Dum. Drop your shields to the same height.
Shield down.
There we go. So now the only thing left is we gotta go underneath, drill some holes, and good to go.
You know, I bet you could put a Red Bull down there.
I'll find out.
Yo! You can put a Red Bull down there. You can probably put one of those cheladas, the little bastards.
Are those mini pop cans? No, like the mini pair
Oh
of
yeah,
pop cans.
but all like those platinum beers you can get. They're all skinnies.
Yeah,
They're about the same size.
yeah, pretty much. They couldn't very well be.
You know, die graders are handy, but I fucking hate them for one reason.
They're noisy?
No. When you just are chooching a bit wrong and the thing decides to do the fucking
I need a couple 5/16 flat washers when you come back, Steven.
You know I got a fine 15 flat washer in this shithole?
Yeah.
Well, I might have actually. What's gonna burn yourself in the chimney? 916 winch? Nice catch. Ooh, fuck, that was a nice catch. Oh, I apologize.
I know how.
You're not supposed to swear at you, boob, are you?
Oh, we're just gonna teach Mike how to do the old fucking beeps.
Yeah, I don't know how to do the beeps, so sometimes swears get in, sometimes they don't.
Actually, the first time with sex was terrifying. It was because it was dark, it was raining, it was night, and you were alone.
What the hell is it? Fucking Seth Rogen. I guess he shaved his beard off. And Jesus Christ, he looks fucking creepy. And I sent it to Corey, and she's like, "I'd still bang him." And I was like, you know, I'm just thinking, if you're having sex with Seth Rogen like that, I'm pretty sure he's the only one who's awake for that ordeal. Yeah. Like, look at him. That's the same fucking person.
Fire this old pelter up and let's see what it sounds like. It's gonna have a bit of and the queef, queef, queef.
No, we got rid of the rain caps. We won't get the queef, queef, queef. Way too loud. Back here, right in my ears. How is it in the cab? The splash will help get rid of some of the sound in the cab.
Yeah, she's still idle, little lame.
Because I got the, well,
That sounds pretty
it's
healthy.
because of our ear leak.
You gotta rub a biggie digga dinga down there. When you shut it off, I heard that.
Yeah, I can see it hitting the step just right there.
Wow.
Might just need to dip it out a little bit.
Same thing, closer to work a muffler. You want to get it when it's flowing on the flat. Yeah, right about there. That's pretty good.
Oh, look at the water already.
It's already working.
Mint.
It's already working. Whee!
There we go. We have exhaustage. That goddamn.
Well, actually, he said I couldn't do it.
Yeah, he bet you couldn't do it. He said if you did and it leaked, it was free.
Well,
But if it didn't
I couldn't
leak-
actually fit. The only thing I forgot was one hanger. But his transmission blew up long before he ever got home. It was nothing to do with me. It was just the transmission.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. So there we go.
You got a bit of rust there. What was up there? A sign?
Yeah.
I think there would have been door magnets on it for whatever company it was. Because those doors are off a third truck, we don't even know.
Not a second? A third?
Well, this is truck 1, the cab is truck 2, the doors are truck 3.
Wow.
There you go, Stephen.
Where are you going? Oh, you stick a stepper muffler up there. There you go. You broke a chunk of it.
Perfect.
Like that. That's absolutely perfect. You might want to just buff that up a bit.
Yeah.
A quick buff would be perfect.
I don't think I trust that on there. I think it might just come flying off on me from wheeling down the road.
I don't think it'll fast enough to lose.
Do you have a window sticker still?
No, he doesn't, sadly.
Actually, I think I might.
I thought you did have one left over.
Because it does need a Stettler muffler
I
sticker.
might have hidden it.
Yeah,
I was
well,
going to keep them myself, but I'll put it
probably.
on the back of this wreck.
Probably on the front. Because it's a split window on the back.
So is my diesel.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fair
stick it together. You just put it on there and slice it and dice it.
Yeah, but we'd have to get rid of the Q91 sticker.
No, you won't. No, you gotta leave that on there. That's old school. I like that bumper back there too. That looks like it should be pulling around a water truck.
Honestly, the
I
bumper
never noticed
I
that.
did put a trailer plug in it.
I never noticed that thing. That thing's high tech redneck.
Alrighty guys, so here we are in the step side. I'm taking shotgun this time because I've had a couple too many to drink, so Mr. Mikey's driving.
First time driving.
Got the auto tune going, and the hill, there's a bunch of red numbers, so it's doing something. And it tells me it's correcting the table, so we'll trust it.
It's running smoother and smoother.
Oh yeah, we can do some full throttle pulls. Right there is a little funky. Yeah, she's doing a bit better. So we're pulling up to a highway in a bit here. When we get there, we'll bring you guys back and we'll do some spirited
Just
pulls
crossing
with
the
it.
border into Mexico right away.
Yeah, we're going to Mexico, guys, for legal reasons. Mexico. So we're gonna do a nice little spirited pull here, I think.
There's a car coming.
I mean, there's a car there, but fuck that nerd.
Okay, grab the laptop.
Well, 100 mile an hour is a little too quick for the transmission. But hey, we went pretty quick.
I was in like 4th gear, 100 miles an hour. That'll do. That'll work good.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm actually quite impressed that the auto tune worked as well as it did. With my history of it in the Firebird, it did not play well. It did not play well.
So, just got back from the first decent drive with no problems. We took it for a drive 2 nights ago.
2 nights ago, yeah.
And it had a hell of a thunking going on every time you got out of the power. We thought it was the U-joint. It felt just like a U-joint. So we pulled the drive shaft out, changed the front U-joint, put it back in. I backed it out. We went to leave, did the exact same thing. So we brought it back in, put it up on jack stands. I went to the side and I started moving the driver's side tire. Didn't feel anything when I was turning it, so I started wiggling it. One lug nut was tight, the rest were loose.
Yeah, so it turns out
when you tighten your wheel, it freaking stops making noise.
So anyways, as it turns out, the problem was we put new studs in the rear axle, and the only thing I could figure, because we torqued them up literally that day before we took for a drive, and it wasn't until we were down south of town a ways, and then it came up. The only thing I reckon is those wheel studs, we probably didn't have them seated fully, and the drive down there just sucked them in and then loosened everything off. So we took it for a drive tonight. Noises are gone. We'll probably recheck the torque on the rear wheels again just in case, because you never know with those damn studs, obviously, I guess.
So, as you could see in the clips, we were using the auto tune, trying to figure it out how to make it work, and it definitely made an improvement. You can see from the first decent pull to the second one, it has less of a dead spot. It's still got a little on full throttle, like as soon as you give it full throttle. And it seems a little quicker to 100 miles an hour in the second one, but
yeah, it's picking up, it's running a little cleaner.
it was a long drive to Mexico and back tonight.
Yeah.
But no, we put probably a solid 2 hours of house time in it now.
Yeah.
Got the auto tune starting to work good until the laptop died. Luckily we had it saved in there. So I'm going to call that a win. Exhaust sounds pretty good. It's really easy to keep quiet in town.
Yeah, no, it's pretty tame.
30 miles an hour in third gear is like 1450 RPM, and it's nice and quiet. It actually doesn't really bark until you start giving her, which is nice. So like you can pull up, we passed a cop tonight. You can pull up beside a cop at a set of lights, and other than the fact it looks like a rolling collection of road violations, it's not bad.
Yeah, and even highway, like once we plunk it in sixth gear, we're putting a different gear set in the back end. This will change, but for now, doing like 60 mile an hour down the highway, turning 12, 60.
Yeah, it's actually better at 65 miles an hour is okay in sixth. 60 miles an hour, it really prefers fifth. You get a lot of vibration, and you give it any throttle at all, and you get a little spark knock because it just doesn't have the torque at 1500 RPM. So if we put like a 411 instead of the 350s in it, it should really improve that.
Should wake it up a lot too. So yeah, that's where we're at.
So yeah, I know it might have been a short video. I won't know till I edit it. But thanks for watching, guys. Check us out on Instagram. It's at Barkley Built, or follow us on the Barkley Built Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please, or not.
Do it for Dale as well, you know.
Do it for Dale.
That's a key part.
Yeah. Take it easy, guys.
Have a good day.
Steven wanted me to point out that it already has exhaust.
Yeah.
And we're doing the intro after we film the outro because we have no idea what we're doing in these videos.
Pro tip, guys, it's still May 13th, and the stacks are there. These were there like 4 days ago.
2 days ago.